In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on this Ram 2500 with the 6.4 liter Hemi engine. There are 4 on each side of the engine. I always recommend replacing all of them at the same time. Let's get started. With a small pocket screwdriver, unlock the red locking tab that holds the connector in place. Now press on the tab in the center there, pull the connector off. And now 2 10mm bolts is what hold on this ignition coil. Remove them both. Once you break it free, it should be easily removed by hand. There we go. The bolt actually won't come out of the ignition coil, but you should feel that it is completely unthreaded. Both of the bolts are out. So I'm going to grab the ignition coil, pull straight up on it, and there it is. I have a lot of debris here, or sand pretty much, that I'm going to gently wipe off, just so that the ignition coil boot can seal up properly. If you have compressed air, you can blow inside that spark plug hole. Now install the new ignition coil, bottom it out, make sure those 2 bolts line up. There we go. And start them on by hand. You don't want these to cross thread. Once they're started, take your 10mm socket and bottom them out. .62 inch-pounds is the torque for both of these bolts, and if you don't have the ability to torque them, at most 1/8 of a turn after they bottom out should be plenty. They're very small bolts. You just want them nice and snug. That's 1. And 2. Now let's plug the connector back in. Make sure it clicks when you bring it down all the way. There we go. And lock the red locking tab. Now you'd repeat the same procedure to the other 7 cylinders.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.